Do your scan document often include your finger in the shot? With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can remove them automatically for a clean, professional result. Here's how to set it up. To do so, open Camera app, tap the Quick Control icon, then tap the Settings icon. Under Intelligent Features section, tap Scan Document and Text, and then enable Remove Unwanted Objects. Now let's test it. Go back to the camera and make sure you are in photo mode with the rear camera. Hold a document in your hand. If auto scan is on, your phone will scan the document automatically without you need to press any button. As a note for the best result, make sure your finger doesn't cover any part of the document you are scanning. Now tap download button to save the scanned document. Tap the thumbnail to view it on your gallery. As you can see that your phone will automatically crop out anything unnecessary like your finger, so only the document remains. This way every scan comes out clean, neat and ready to use, no editing needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.